this video, we will discuss how to multiply fractions. So, multiplication of fraction is very, very easy compared to addition and subtraction because no LCM for multiplication. Whatever be the denominator, no problem. So, multiplication of fraction means multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators. That's all. So no need that the denominators should be equal or anything like that. So let us see. Suppose you want to multiply 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. So multiply the numerator 2 into 3 divided by denominators 3 into 5. So 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 5 15. 6 by 15 you will get the answer. This you can bring to lowest form because both are divisible by 3. So you will get it as 2 by 5. Another example. 1 by 5 into 2 by 7. So 1 into 2. Don't take the LCM, no need. Just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. That's all. So 2 by 35 is already in lowest form. You cannot reduce it further. So 2 by 35 will remain the answer. And here's some interesting fact in multiplication. We can do the multiplication of fraction in little more easy way. So the basic is, as I told you, just to multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Okay, that is fine. But sometimes, suppose I will give you a 5 by 6 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. Or I can put it as 4 by 5. 4 by 5. So what you have to do, you have to multiply the numerators. That is 5 into 2 into 4 divided by, what are the denominators? 6 into 3 into 5. So multiplying the numerators, what we will get? 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 4, 40. Denominator, 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 5, 90. 40 by 90. So you have to bring it to lowest form. How you will bring to lowest form? Both are divisible by, they are divisible by 2, they are divisible by 5, and the highest will be 10. They are both are divisible by 10. So 4 by 9. So this we can do in a little more simple way other than multiplying all the numerator and multiplying all the denominator. That is the cutting method. You have to practice it and acquire that skill. So how we can do that? So listen carefully. Here, look into the numerators and look into the denominators. Numerator, I can see 1, 5. Denominator also, I can see 1, 5. So that means 5 by 5. 5 by 5, you can divide, no? So cut it. Cancelled. So 5 by 5 gone. Now observe. Numerator 2 is there, 4 is there, denominator 6 is there, 3 is there. So 6 in the denominator is a multiple of 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. I can cut short it there itself. Now, don't cut denominator and denominator, 3 and 3 you cannot cut. That is not possible. Now, in the numerator, what is left? 1, here 1, here 1, here 4. So, 1 into 1 into 4, 4. Denominator, 3 into 3, 9. So, easily we are able to simplify it. So, this method, we have to practice this cutting and cancelling, cutting or cancelling method. It will be so easy and comfortable for us when especially when bigger numbers comes. I'll show you a few more example. 4 by what we can say? Okay, 4 by 8. Yeah, 4 by 8 into, here I am taking 5 by 6. Okay, 4 by 8 into 5 by 6. So answer will be 4 into 5, 20. 8 into 6, 48. You will get 20, 4 into 5, 20, 8 into 6, 48, 20 by 48. If you multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator, you will get the answer. But 20 by 48, you need to bring it to lowest form. So common divisor, which is the common divisor? 20 and 48. 2 is divisible. Otherwise, 4 is divisible. So either 2 or 4 you can use here. So if you divide both by 4, what you will get? You will get 5 4s are 20, 12 4s are 48. 5 by 12 you will get. So here how we can do that with the cutting method. Numerator 4 is there, 5 is there. Denominator 8 is there, 6 is there. So both 8 and 6, 4 and 8. 8 is a multiple of 4. So immediately we can 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 5 in the numerator, but denominator 2 and 6 both are not divisible by 5. So we cannot do further. So what will be the answer? 1 into 5, 5 numerator, 2 into 6, 12. The same answer we got. So this way of cutting. Few more I will show you. How to understand very, very clearly. Suppose a question come, 10 by 2 into 3 by 5 into 6 by 9. So just think, if you are multiplying all the numerator, 10 into 3 into 6, 2 into 5 into 9, so will be bigger number you will get, no? But 10 into 3, 30. 30 into 6, about 180 will come. Then in the denominator, 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 9, 90. Then you have to bring to lowest form and all it will take. So here what you can do easily, 5 and 10, you can cut. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now here denominator 2, cut it, 2, 2 gone. Now 3 and 9. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now numerator you have 6, denominator 3, cut it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So the numerator now what is there? 2. Denominator all gone. So 2 is the answer. So when you bring it to lowest form also, you will get the same 2. So without confusion, the only thing is when you do the cutting method, have to write the numbers very neatly and little big and put space in between. And when you are cutting and writing the number, it should be readable. Just a small cut is enough. Otherwise, you won't be able to read what number you cut. Another example, little bigger numbers. This time I will show you. 15 by 16 into 12 by 25 into 8 by 9. Okay. So there may be more than one number divisible in both numerator and denominator. You can select whichever you find comfortable. Okay. But here what I am going to do is, the first what caught my eyes is the 15 and 25. Both are divisible by 5. Okay. So 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now here 3 is there, here 9. I can cut no. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. That over. Then I see 3 and 12. There is a possibility. Is it? 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now look into 4 and 16. Or 8 and 16. Okay, 8 and 16. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now here 2, here 4. Again, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now very carefully observe what all numbers are left in the numerator and denominator. Numerator, here first fraction only 1 is there. Then here 2 is there. Here 1 is there. So 1 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. Denominator, what is left? 1 into 5 into 1. So 5. So answer is 2 by 5. But just imagine if you multiply all the numerator, 15 into 12 into 8, you will get a bigger number. Again, the denominator, 16 into 25 into 9. Suppose you are doing like that, you are not opting the cutting method. You are thinking, I will go with the method with, I will just multiply the numerator. That is more easy for me. And if you trying to do that, let us see what will happen. 15 into 12 into 8, if you multiply, you will get 1440. Okay. Now the denominator, 16 into 25 into 9, when you multiply, you will get 3660. Okay. So if you are thinking, okay, the 0, 0, I can cancel. Okay, cancelled. Then also 144 by 366, it is coming. So it is again little bit difficult to bring it to lowest form and all. This is 3600, not 3660, 3600 will come. Okay, so again, you have to bring it to lowest form. So if see, I made a mistake here. So this type of mistake can happen if you multiply bigger number. So the easy way is what? When you see the number itself, cut it. One more example I will show you. Then I think you will understand and you can go do it yourself. One more example. 9 by 15 into 12 by 14 into 7 by 3. So here 7 and 14. Okay. 2 times. 3 and 9. 3 times. Now what we can do? 12 and 2 again we can cut. No. 2, 12, 6 times. 3, 15, 5 times. Oh, all over. So what is left in the numerator now? Only 6. Denominator, only 5. So 6 by 5 is the answer. Hope you understood. This has to be practiced. Maximum questions you have to do. How much you practice, that much your skill will increase. Okay. So that's all of addition, subtraction, and multiplication of fractions. Thank you.